Welcome back. I'm here at this account. If some of you remember the last time I've spoken about the Sorbo soap, and I came in here with the Quicksilver and the 8-inch homemade water-fed Wagtail one pass with the yellow pad y'all saw me have. And I have never seen these windows so clean like this within 2 weeks. Let me just explain to you just what happened. Now, that solution is designed to keep the windows cleaner longer, right? Anything that you use that's not a surfactant pretty much will do the same thing because that soap attracts dirt. And guess what? We had about 4 rainstorms, two of which it was coming down cats and dogs inside of buckets, splashing. I mean, puddles, flooding. It was advisory, southeastern advisory, weather alert. And for these windows to look this clean, it's amazing. So this is a maintenance count. So this is passable. I don't have to do the outside. I'm just going to do the inside today. And some of you may say I'm cheating my customers, but they already know they're paying for a maintenance service. So I'm making the windows look presentable. That's what a maintenance service is. Some people may have a different definition, but it doesn't mean you clean every single piece of glass in here. Because if that's the case, then I would be charging them for that. I made it affordable for them based on our arrangement. And that's what you have to let your customers know. I am not going to walk away leaving the window dirty. So if it needs it, I'm going to clean it. But if you know you're here every 2 weeks, why are you going to use all that soap and make it hard on yourself? This is what I've been trying to explain to y'all. Work is smarter, not harder. Think about it. You don't have to let your customers, you're using a solution to make your job easier for when you come back in 2 weeks. Because then they're going to say, well, we need to reduce the service. No, you don't want to do that either. So we're going to be talking about the E Squeegee. Now, this squeegee, it is super light, the lightest of all models. And this is the first of its kind. I think for a tool that does what it does, it is lighter than a dollar store squeegee with the plastic handle. Now, when you get this wet, that may change, but for a plastic swivel lightweight tool, the first of its kind and professional, it's the only professional plastic swivel one pass tool so far in the world. And I think I'm going to start using this on a good portion of my jobs on the inside. I didn't want to do the review this soon because I wanted to do it on a place where I had tinted windows I do every 2 weeks. Unfortunately, that's not coming up for another week. But I wanted to get this review out because I've been holding on to this squeegee and I haven't been able to use it because it's pretty much a tool to be used on delicate windows that have a little grip stickiness to it, such as E-glass, tinted windows, plexiglass, bulletproof glass. This is the tool you're going to want. Reasons being, this tool will eliminate the possibility of scratching the heck out of it. You know, it's just about working smarter, but not only that, the tool is so light. I have to show you. Let's jump into it, man. Let's jump into it. Let's not wait, man. I want to do this, and I want to tell y'all just what my feelings are on it. I haven't cleaned with it, but I'm gonna go clean with it today because These windows are small enough where, you see, there's no fingerprints on the inside. So I should be able to fly. This is what a one-pass tool is good for. Windows that are either moderately clean or clean. And if you have a soiled area, no problem. Just agitate back and forth. But let's jump into it.